Hello friends, so this is the YJ Pocket Timer. I already uploaded a short unboxing video of this. If you didn't yet watch this video, please watch. The link is in the description. So I am going to review this. Let's start. So here you can see the timer. Here is the batteries. So here you can see the sensors. It senses our hands like this. Let's try some scrambles. Oh. Okay, I like this technology. This is really amazing. The beep sound is very loud. If you want, you can off this sound like this. Hold this right button and now this is off. To on the sound again press and hold the right button. Now you can see that the sound is on. I like this. You can also see your previous solves like this. Well, this is an amazing timer. If you want a unique timer with low budget, you can buy this. But if you want a good timer, I will not recommend this because sometimes it doesn't work. You can see. So I will not recommend this if you want a good good timer. So thanks for watching this video. If you want more cubing and puzzle related videos, please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.